in York. Look at that, look. All that pieces of wood there, look. Right, we're gonna go across here. Hello everyone. We've got this little sign here, look. CCTV cameras in operation. Images are being monitored for the purpose of crime prevention and safety unit. It's bullshit. Right. That's all that there, look. I don't think we can get in. That's the little area. Right. They're pulling this place down.
Yeah.
So basically we've got to be quick to we've got to be quick. This is a toilet, as you can see. This is no toilet. See that? There's no toilet. Oh, look at cobwebs. You can't see them, but I can. Old toilet, old spade.
Yeah.
Toilet, spade. There's an old box. An old other box. Right. We've got some we need to climb, but we can't climb. Let's put it in there. Do some climbing. See? Yeah, look. We don't discriminate. Yeah. It's a pigeon. The pigeon there. Isn't the way in? Isn't the way in? We're not going to do that. We're not going to go in because we don't break an entry. There's another way down. There's Joe there, look.
Yeah, I'm here. Hello.
So I've got to climb back down now. Let's try that. I'll see you at the bottom.
That's just
So, we're going to go in this little building here. I don't know if you can see it. It's a big, like, air raid shelter thing, type thing. We're going to come in there and see what's going on. We've got a sheet. We've got a beer can, like a sleeping bag, some really dangerous asbestos, we've got some big open spaces, as you can tell. Whoa, what's that? Oh, we've got some pigeons. Got this little bit there, which comes to a closing. Comes to a closing, but the problem is it comes to some. It comes to the river. Look, you can tell. Comes to water. We can't do anything with that because it comes to water. So we'll go back. We'll come back. There's some beer and some water, bucket full of water and some booze bottles. Remember. So we'll come back in. This is, oh, there's some wood here. As you can tell.
it's flat, shovel.
Here's the other bit. Oh, it is a bit cold out here tonight, so we're not going to be doing much tonight. We're just going to basically do what we can, because we did take us ages. You didn't see it, but we did take ages to get in to the area. That's a street cone there. This is the old meter boxes. Just there.
Car park boxes.
That's another old box. That there is the old street view. It's no door, huh? That's Joe.
Hello.
Yeah, that's an old tiling.
I saw the tilings off the roof.
That's another, you probably can't see it, but I can. That's an old door to another building.
Yeah.
I know that this one here, this one's locked.
So we can't be in there.
That's locked. We don't know why. This locks, it's got a padlock on it. We do try and look in. We can't see anything. So anyway, this is the last of what you're going to see about this one. So you can tell this is all of it. So what we'll do is we'll leave you here and we'll see you on the next adventure. So if you want to follow, if you haven't followed me, follow me now, because you're not going to be disappointed. Follow me and Joe on this video. Follow me and Joe, and we'll see you soon. Take care and
Bye.
go be good.